The ultra rich invest 80 to 90% of their income. Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. Spencer Williams here, online business and sales coach, Canadian entrepreneur, and we're back with another lesson in Secrets of the Wealthy, where every single Wednesday we meet to talk about money, to talk about wealth, and to educate you guys on strategies so that we can start building wealth together. This is my favorite series of them all because when you guys have money, you can start businesses and get coaching. I want to make you wealthy because it makes me wealthy too. But I can only tell you how, right? You still have to show up. You still have to take the actions every day. Secrets of the Wealthy with Spencer Williams, where every single week on Wednesdays, we meet on our money so we can get our money right and build our net worth. Make sure you bookmark this, like the video, comment, subscribe. It's free and it helps more people get the information they need. The ultra rich invest 80 to 90% of their income because wealth is what you keep and how long you could live how you want to live without having to work. Number one is to go get a job, either a sales job or a job that pays you well enough that you can invest the leftover money into yourself. Number two is to master sales and persuasion. Learn and master sales and persuasion. This will happen at your sales job, or this will happen because you got a coach, mentor, or training program and seminar. Number three is to start a business, right? The more scalable, the better, because you want to ask yourself, if I am right about my business, how big could this thing go? That's why I've picked online businesses for all of my wealth creation clients, because it could go big. Number four is to scale your business. This is the step that I've been working on for the last 18 months and I'm still here right now. Number five would be become a manager, investor, and capitalist.